Oh, flipping heck. Going up against the Borg. In Mexico. Cleveland. And Cleveland and Nuremberg, they'll go down pretty easily. I hope.
With the Cleveland, it's like a good day on it.
Yeah, I know the Cleveland and the Nuremberg are what take my fighters down all the time.
Yeah, because cruisers
Yeah.
are the last thing you want to try and attack, dude.
I know.
You just want to focus on battleships, really, mate.
Battleships and aircraft carriers.
I'm a Cleveland anyway, so if any of your planes are getting chased, come to me.
I won't be getting chased. Well, I will be.
Just keep them near us, mate, seriously.
Yeah.
Just hover us for a bit, and then when we attack, we say, right, attack that one now and stuff. Because as soon as you get your planes taken out, you're no use.
Well, I've got
That's what I mean, just
13 fighters and 13 torpedo bombers.
right.
But I can only use 6 at a time, though.
We should just turn straight away, Fox, because we're going to be shooting people here anyway. Right.
I'm going straight for Charlie, so let's capture this fucking.
Battle starts.
Right, Charlie.
Where can I
you go straight
hide?
to Charlie. I'm gonna go to J5, mate. I'm just gonna go on the attack.
I'm on a detected. That's first ship popping up, 9.7 seconds. Firing on him any second now, please.
Right, I'm going full reverse.
Firing on him. But Cleveland and a Connelsberg on me.
Where are you?
I'm going for the
On the way,
Konigsberg.
'cause I am not going to win this.
There's in Mexico and New York coming in as well.
Okay.
Only got one hit on him there. Going for the other Cleveland.
Got another New Mexico.
Fuck, why did I change HE to AP, I mean?
Royal close.
Watch out, Foxy.
I'll destroy it. Ah, shit.
I've got 5 hits on a New Mexico.
You got a destroy coming in,
Right,
guys.
go for the New Mexico, New York, dude.
Yeah, I've set a top in on New Mexico. I think only one's going to hit New Mexico, though. Yeah,
I'm
one
go
hit
for the
New
Cleveland,
Mexico.
Foxy.
There's a destroyer hanging around as well.
2 destroyers hanging about.
Shit, they've got dual fighters.
I'm with how many of them.
I'm going in, dude. I set him on
okay.
fire, 3 hits. Can I get
User
some planes
joined your
over here?
channel.
Fighters, dude.
Well,
Actually, no, don't worry.
bad.
They're covering the Cleveland, mate.
They're coming for me.
Are they?
Yeah.
And New Mexico looks like a good target for me. And he knows that. He's firing at me.
Firing on them fighters. 1
Yeah.
down already.
You
2 down. 3 down. 4 down.
Jesus, Foxy.
5. Last one. Give me that. 6 planes down. I just wait there.
Go for the other fighters.
Bring them close to me.
Destroyer coming at me, Fox.
Yeah. Turning the guns on him now.
Tops the back
planes
up.
down.
Well, I got one
2
of them.
destroyers. 2 destroyers. 2 destroyers. One close to me. I'm gonna ram this cunt. Fuck him.
I'll try not to get hit by them tops. Shit, tops and new minty.
If you're a battleship, you can ram fucking little guys.
Doing
Fuck
what?
them, man. I got fucked up.
Minty now get
30
fucked up
guys.
here.
Yeah, I'm dead. Those destroyers fucked me so quick.
Fucked me
He's
up
about
and
to
all,
fly
mate.
that other one though. Get your planes away from him, dude.
Yep.
Oh! He was on fire and I fucking got that.
Nice.
So I got 2 altogether.
3, standing by for instructions. Over.
Fucking happy that.
Very nice, very nice.
Group 3, we're under attack.
Bollocks to that.
Returning to ship.
Fucking it just missed them and all.
Group 2, taking fire.
Alright, I've lost 1 foot.
Awaiting
2 fires. Who's playing Battlefield?
Me. What time does it matter?
Shit.
Autopilot mode enabled.
For fuck's sake. Bollocks! Fuck off, fighters. Ah, if I take my tops off, they're gonna get killed.
Group 2, ready for takeoff. Group 2, airborne. Group 2, we're under attack. Group 3, maintaining present course.
The fuck? Oh shit.
User joined your channel.
3, taking fire.
Well, I should get some good points if we can win this, but I don't know how we fucking win this, mate. Okay. Oh yeah, pal. Mate, you've got to get World of Warships. I'm telling you, man, it's fucking brilliant.
Like it.
Yeah, a lot. And as an American, you should as well. We've got a lot of the most of the good ships all American. There's like fucking 1 British ship, and it's not all with them.
Is it wooden? Oh, okay.
And then you can say that. Got red coats in it though.
That's pretty dope.
No, yeah, it's the
Oh.
War
Like
Spite
World War or
something.
something. Yeah.
But download it, man. It's good. How are you, man? You work alright?
I'm doing okay, man. Just chilling, relaxing, feeling like a villain.
Feeling like a villain.
Chilling like a villain. Don't make me
Oh.
come fucking slap you.
Right, I'm dead.
Come see me at Heathrow, by the way, Anthony.
Oh, what's it, mate?
Oh, I did shite there.
You will.
433 XP.
Yeah, I'll come and see you, mate. Why not?
Really, you can come see me for my 2-hour layover.